This video is brought to you by Grandeur Warranty, your #1 online source for factory-backed extended warranties in the country.
Andre, today we're going to figure out what gets better fuel economy. Is it a big truck or is it a bigger truck?
Wait. No, I think today is about diesel versus gas because that Chevy is a turbo diesel and this is a gas V8.
Now, last time we did this, I brought the small truck and you won with the big truck. Let's show them what happened. There's no way a V8 can do better than a 4-cylinder turbo. I will eat my hat, Andre, if that is the case. But let's go to the pump, fill up, go 100 and some miles, and then come back and do this scientifically. Keep going, keep drinking, drink Ford. Oh, stop drinking. All right, you gonna do the math?
According to GPS, 111 miles for the loop, like always. Divide by what? What is it, Roman?
4.895.
22.7?
Damn.
How is that possible?
I don't know. Not good for me. It's not stopping.
Oh, this is bad.
Oh God, this is not good.
So the moral of this,
The moral of the story is if you want good fuel economy,
get a V8.
get a freaking V8.
111 divide by
5.328.
20.8.
Well, at least my truck was closer on the estimate than yours was.
Oh, I see what's happening, Roman. You brought a turbo diesel because they're known to be efficient, so you want to win today.
That's right, Andre. I brought the big dog, and I will bet that this bigger diesel truck does better than your smaller V8 truck.
Are you gonna eat something today? A hat, maybe?
You know, I never ate your hat last time, so I am feeling kind of peckish. So I will, this time, for certain, eat your hat. Did you bring it?
No.
All right, well, let's talk about how we're gonna do this. All right, Andre, so Denver 100?
Yes. So this is really a ring road around Denver, Colorado. It's mostly highway, high speeds, 111 miles.
And we do the speed limit, which is 75.
Or 65,
Okay.
whatever it is.
Yeah. And then we do the 2-click method. Why don't you tell them how that works?
So we let the pump kind of click off. We wait 30 seconds and then we top off. By the way, my fuel tank is bigger than yours.
Wait, no.
Wait, they're the same.
I think they're both 36.
Oh. Roman, how much is diesel?
It's basically $3.70 a gallon. How about, what are you putting in?
I'm gonna use 87 octane.
And how much is that?
374.
Ha! So wait, so diesel is cheaper.
What?
Better fuel economy and cheaper. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner, my man.
No.
Yes. Okay, Andre, here. We want to be clean. Look, we got.
No, it's your diesel pump that's dirty.
No germs, no smell, no mess.
No, look, it has a diesel thing. Why does it say Gasmith?
Yeah, it doesn't say diesel man. My hand's getting sweaty. Now, the reason we do this, Andre, of course, is that we can see what the truck says, and then we can also see what the pump says, because often the two are somewhat different.
Yeah, exactly.
So don't forget to reset your trip.
I won't forget it.
I will. Remind me. Diesel trucks, or in other words, heavy-duty trucks don't have an EPA number.
No, they don't.
This is a complete mystery. We know nothing about what this truck will do, even though we've taken it on the Denver 100 before.
I know something.
You know something?
Yes.
All right. What's your guess that this truck will do? You know it. So don't. I'm going to say. I said it last time. I'm going to go again. I'm going to say 22.
Okay. Well then. Okay. Well, let's just do the loop.
22, because that's enough to beat that.
Let's just do it.
All right.
Okay, it's time.
There we go. Oh, I dripped. I wasn't wearing my gas mitt.
I know. Where's your gas mitt? Oh my God. It's an environmental disaster.
I want every drop in there. I've got a secret advantage.
What is it?
Oh, yeah.
Tonneau cover?
Yeah.
Really?
A real truck tonneau cover.
Are you going to retract it?
No.
Are you going to push
Should I
it?
retract it?
No.
No, this is real world testing. I have one, you don't. You could have gotten one, you didn't. So
I didn't.
yeah, I have it. So there you go.
We're resetting trip meters. Let me do it now. And then Roman is resetting his.
Okay, resetting. Reset.
So these two trucks are much more similar than you may think. Of course, I've got the 3/4 ton diesel and you've got the half-ton V8, but
They're also off-roaders.
That is right. I'm driving an F-150 Tremor, which is a special off-road package. I've got larger 33-inch all-terrain tires and special Tremor suspension.
Now I've got the Silverado 3/4 ton Trail Boss, and I've got off-road tires, and I'm not sure the suspension's all that special.
well, I see those red Rancho shocks under you.
Oh, yes, the very special Ranchos are certainly under me, I'll give you that.
But dude, your truck is large. I mean, it's taller than ever. I'm afraid that you're not going to be that efficient.
Well, let me ask you this, Andre.
What kind of fuel economy are you getting right now? Let's do a little preview.
Well, after 2.5 miles of driving, I am showing 13.4.
Uh-oh, I'm showing 10.5.
Well, your truck weighs as much as a small building.
Yeah, but here's the kicker. Right now, I am barely turning over 1,200 RPM.
This diesel Duramax is not working. Or is that V8? I bet you it's working.
Well, I'm close to 2,000 RPM, but I do have 400 horsepower, so I feel pretty great with my exhaust note as well.
Well, I've got way over that, dude. I've got 470 horsepower, if I'm remembering correctly. And I've got a functional hood scoop, which is also going to help with this fuel economy war.
I'm afraid you're gonna lose once again, my friend.
Oh, hell no. I brought this truck for a reason. I know diesels are extremely efficient at highway speeds, and this is their jam. This is diesel jam right now we're talking about. So I'm feeling very confident that at the end of 111 miles, this diesel will prevail over that big old thirsty V8.
All right, well, let's turn up the road trip music and let's figure it out.
And no matter which car or truck you have, if you plan on keeping it for a longer period of time, you should check out GrangerWarranty.com. Use the link in the description below. Granger Warranty is one of the best sellers of factory-backed extended warranties across the country, and you could save some money while doing it, about $1,000 on average. And you don't have to buy it immediately when you buy a brand new vehicle. You could wait a little bit and then get that warranty. And when your truck needs service, you can be sure that they're using certified components, OEM quality stuff, and the work is done at the certified facility or a dealership anywhere across the country. We're getting on the interstate toll road. Are you ready to floor it?
3, 2, 1, go!
Yes! Woo! Coyote V8!
Wow, that was neck and neck.
That is funny. I mean, we both have 10-speed automatics.
I mean, you have gobs of torque. You got what, 975 torque, but you do weigh, I think your truck weighs like a Civic more than mine.
And that wasn't great for fuel economy for either of us.
I know, but we're doing it at the same time.
True that. True that. Now, both these trucks are broken in.
Mine is very broken in. I'm at 13,227 miles.
I have 5,400 miles on my clock.
Andre, I'm a little depressed.
Why is that?
Well, my truck says 16.1, and I'm guessing your truck doesn't.
Wow, that's surprising. So we've gone about 52 miles. Sorry, there's a concrete truck up here, and I'm showing 19.8.
Yeah, that's why I'm depressed. I was really Well, look, your truck could be off, and my truck could be off, and you know I could still maybe pull this out. But right now, this Duramax is not filling me with joy, at least not in this competition.
Well, Roman, just be hopeful. Just be an optimist, and it might still work out for you. Not.
Hey, you know, I can actually help you. I got a little tip for you. So there's a thing called a parking brake in your truck.
I think if you push that, you'll get much better fuel economy.
Oh yeah, that makes a lot of sense, actually.
Yeah, go for it. Just engage it. Would you engage the parking brake for the next 50 miles? See how that helps. You'll just get stellar numbers, Andre.
Right.
I have 22.1 mpg here after 108 miles shown.
All right, 17.8 according to the truck. That's pretty disappointing. I'm hoping that the pump will rescue me.
Roman, I have my gas mitt.
I'm getting one too, Andre. Look at this.
I reused mine, I recycled.
Oh, you're a much better man than I am.
All right, so if it's under 5 gallons, then I'm doing really well, right?
Your gas mitt isn't very helpful in your right hand, Andre.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, 18.
4.97 gallons. 111 miles using GPS, correct?
That's correct.
Divide by 4.972. 22.3. Yes.
Wow, that's pretty amazing.
22. The answer is always the V8. Gas V8. That's the answer.
Diesel. All right, there we go. Don't drink much, truck. Oh, I can't, look, you can't. Here, I found a problem with the mitt. Look, I can't do this. Oh, there we go. All right, I'm officially losing the mitt. All right, let me do the final click here.
111 miles divided by
6.123.
6.123.
Ta-da!
18.1.
Well, it's better than what the truck said, but still over 4 gallons worse than what you got.
Yes, so once again, this is amazing. The F-150 is doing really well.
So I think we've learned an important lesson here.
What?
First, don't eat Andre's hats because they're expensive. But more importantly, if you want good fuel economy, go for the half-ton. Better than the mid-size,
yes.
Better than the diesel.
Yes.
It's the half-ton with the V8.
It's just right. It's like Goldilocks. Next time, Roman, what are you going to bring next time?
We're going to tow next time and see what happens. That's another. I'm going to bring 15. No, you can't tow 15,000. I'll bring 10,000 pounds, and then we'll see what kind of fuel economy you get.
Now you're talking.
Yeah.
Now the diesel will wake up.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
All right, guys. As always, this is Roman
And Andre.
saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Ciao. I don't want to eat your hat, Andre. I just don't want to eat your hat.